Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to SV Market Vlogs. Today we are going to discuss November first week weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Firstly, in the weekly wise candles, Nifty 50 opened at the level of 24,315. 24,315 is the opening. Last week the market closed at 24,300. So market opened flatly comparatively with the last week candle. So with this candle, what we have expected, Nifty 50 will be staying in this level 24,000 to 24,500. This 500 points range we are expected for this week. So total the range it has been created, we can see here. So the total week's high 24,537, 24,537, and weeks the low is 23,816. 23,816. From high and lows, the total range of this week, it's nearly 720 points. And finally, the market closed at 24,148. So 170 points body range it has been created for this week. Out of 720 points, just 170 points. It's nearly 22% like that. So with this candle, what we can expect, the market will be consolidating in this 24,000 to 24,500 range. But if this 24,000 below market collapses, then the market could be corrected lower side 23,500, another 500 points range we are observing if market collapses below 24,000 level. So once we will have a clear look in 15 minutes candle. In day wise candle, the market started from this week November 4th. So this is the Monday. In the prior week the market started from 28. This is Monday. So in the last week market has a momentum in a congested range, but in this when the market opened flat, from here the market corrected lower side till 23,800. 23,816 is the low. After hitting this low, the market tried to recover and finally it closed nearby 24,000 level, which is exactly 23,995. So the market trying to build its strength around 24,000 level. Very next day when the market opened in gap down, so from here the market again strongly a short covering has been occurred and finally the market closed around 24,200. This is the closing of 24,200. So except these two candles, the market stayed in 24,000 to 24,500. Only this is the short covering point. There was no strong closing below 24,000 level. Really in the weekly wise candle, what we have expected 24,000 level to 24,500. This is the range what we are expecting for next week also. But if 24,000 level has been broken downside in day wise candle, then we are shifting our momentum from 24,000 level to 23,500. So this range will be shifted downside from 24,000 to 23,500. So because already market spent much time in this 24,000 to 24,500. So this support zone will be getting weaker and weaker and finally it tends to break down. So that's why we are expecting the second case as 24,000 to 23,500. So this is our first case, the same range what we are expecting from 2 weeks. So this is for Nifty 50. Now we will have a look with Bank Nifty. So in the Bank Nifty, we are expecting a range between 51,000 to 52,000. So it created much higher range than what we have expected. So here we have seen a big candle. The high and lows is 52,577 is high and 50,380 is the low. The total range of this week is 2,200 points range. After having this range, this is the last week's candle. Here also the market consolidated in between 51,000 to 52,000. So and reached a high of 52,350. Here the high is 52,577. So now we can take a parameter. If market close above 52,500, this week's high, then we can expect the market will be taking a clear support at 52,000 level. So this is the high commonly for 2 weeks, 52,500, 52,493. So we have taken a round off figure, and lower side this week's low is 50,865. 50,865. From high and lows, the total range is more than 1600 points range it has been taken. But the body range is very narrow. Market opened at 51,765. 51,765 opening, and the final, the market closing at 51,560. So the total range of this body is just 200 points. So from 1600 points, it's just 12.5%. Very small range compared to with total range. The body range is very small. So with this, what we are expecting, the same bigger range of this candle, because continuously the market forming inside candles, and exactly the body also lying in the middle of this range. So we don't have a clear direction. After having a good breakout from this inside candle momentum, then we can expect the bank nifty to move in a upward direction or downward direction. So we can consider this total range of 2000 points as a consolidation range. From 52,500 upper side and lower side is 50,500. So actually we are expected only 1000 points range, but with these candles from last 2 weeks, we should consider this 500 points and upper 500 points. So after having a good closing above this level 52,500 or below 50,500, then we will be having another view for bank nifty's range. So now with this we can conclude this 2000 points range for next week. So in this 2000 points range only market will be closing. So once we will have a look in day-wise candles. So with this, what we can observe, so the market tried to take good support at the level of 51,000. So this is the good support area for both weeks. So the last week and this week, and the market tried to reach higher highs, but it is unable to close above at stronger levels. In the last week, the market closed above 52,000 level for one day. So for this week, 2 days the market closed above 52,000 level, but still the market dragging from these higher levels, and finally it's closing around 51,500. So in the range in between 51,000 to 52,000. So with this, what we have discussed in the day-wise candles, market trying to consolidate in the higher ranges. So upper side we have taken the range of 52,500, and lower side we have considering 50,500. So totally 2000 points range is there. So in this 2000 points range, market trying to get consolidated when we have looking it in weekly based. So if the market in the day-wise candles, whenever bank nifty closes above this level 52,500 mark or below this level 50,500 mark, then we will have the shift for this bank nifty range. Till then we are expecting this 2000 points range only. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Again we will be meeting on next Saturday for weekly analysis video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel SV Market Vlogs. Bye guys, see you on Saturday.